Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your font size on Craigslist. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in craigslist.org and press enter. You will now be taken into its official website where you can log into your account by clicking on the account icon at the top right corner if you haven't done so already. Now, if you have created a post already and you want to edit it, you can do it by clicking on account and finding your post, or you can also create a new post by clicking on post. Now there are various options that you can choose to proceed with creating your post. Just go ahead and choose your option, and now you will be allowed to enter the description and details for your item. Now in order to change your font size, all you need to do is use the big and small HTML commands. Just enclose the command big within this symbol from both sides and type in your text. After your text that you want to have big is typed in, you can close this command by typing in /big within the same set of brackets. Now whatever you type within this big HTML tab will be displayed in a big font size. In order to make it small, simply replace the big command with the small command and end it with the /small command as well. After you do this, within your post, everything you said within the big commands will be displayed in a bigger text, while everything you type within the small box will be displayed as a small text. And you can simply continue forth and see the effect within your post. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your font size on Craigslist. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.